Garden Studio by Studio Abacaxi in Bergen, the Netherlands. Working from home can be challenging, especially with small kids around. Therefore, a young creative couple asked Studio Abacaxi to design a garden studio, in which they could work and host guests. The combination of working and living resulted in a multifunctional structure, where the integrated furniture caters to the different needs. Since the structure houses two different workspaces, in which possible meetings with clients and collaborators could occur, the studio is divided into two main spaces. Logistically, the two spaces can function separately, with a kitchen and bathroom as a central core. When used to host guests, the studio turns into a living room, bedroom, and sleep attic. The choice to create an integrated minimalistic interior was dictated by the wish for a variety of functions, and the limited space available. By creating the complete interior in birch plywood, a subtle and calm atmosphere could be achieved in the small spaces, while leaving room for personalization. An alternating staircase and folding bed are integrated space savers. The main structure is a wood structure on a concrete slab, chosen for its sustainability and cost efficiency. The wooden exterior with its big glass front facade, including a sliding door, blends the studio in with the surrounding garden and creates a connection between interior and exterior. The owners or guests can enjoy the evening sun while having a visual or actual connection with the garden.